Good morning, Internet land. This is Feel Good early in the morning at 5:29 a.m. This is my first video getting started in the business and being open with what's going on this journey. And even this morning, I tried to lay down at 2:30 a.m., pop back up at 5 a.m., run on 2.5 hours of sleep, got the 5-hour energy shot going. But it's all worth it because the efforts and work that I'm putting in right now will carry on for the rest of our lives. And that's really what matters, the future, people. Um, with that being said, I'm not going to hold you up too long this morning. I just wanted to say good morning. It's early morning on Wednesday, and we have the rest of the week to go through. We got to pay our bills, but if you can see the future that you want to have in the long run, go for it by any means. No sleep, 2-3 days without sleep if you need to. Follow through. It'll definitely be worth it. This is Feel Good signing off to the Commission Inspiration Group. Salute.